Enhancing real estate with detailed home inspections. A detailed home inspection in real estate is crucial for revealing property issues and shaping negotiation tactics, benefiting both buyers and sellers. This process reveals defects, offering buyers leverage to negotiate terms like necessary repairs or price reductions. Addressing these issues preemptively promotes transparency and trust for sellers, which is crucial for productive negotiations. The inspection reports provide objective data that aid in accurately determining the property's fair market value, influencing negotiation terms, and ensuring both parties transact from a well-informed stance. This strategic tool shifts power dynamics in negotiations, facilitating smoother and more successful real estate transactions.